Pa-share po ng live. Ayan guys, pa-share po ng live. Wait lang. Ayan. Hi, Jobel from Rai TV. Thank you so much. Ayan, may volume ang lola mo. Sino naka-volume? Patanggal ang volume.
Yung may volume.
Pa-share po ng live, guys. Ayan, wait lang tayo, guys, ha. Ayan. Narciso Capulong Jr. is watching. Thank you so much po.
Wala ko yung bag.
Doc Dexter M. Mariscayo, hello BFF. Nice to see you again. Jane Laisico. Ayan, wait lang guys, ha. Ayan. Ano to? Narciso Capulong Jr. from Tayuman. Ayan. Is watching. Ayan. La. Black pa more. Regalado Cuevas is watching. Ayan. Thank you so much po. Ayan, wait lang guys ha. Ayan. Iayos lang natin ang ating music guys. And guys, February month. Love month natin ngayon guys. Ayan. Ngayon ay month ng February. Ayon sa karamihan, ang month na ito ay month of love, guys. Ayan, may ginawa akong team sa buong February na hinati ko sa 4. Ayan, na team. Nasa every live ko ay ibabahagi ko sa inyo. So ngayon, ang team ko ay about broken. Ayan. Kasi 'di ba araw ng mga puso talaga ang buong February. Ayan, bigyan natin ng kahulugan sa bawat awit na aking kakantahin po ngayong gabi. And sana guys magustuhan nyo. Mag-start tayo ngayon sa mga broken. Ayan. Mga nasasaktan, masasaktan pa lang. Ayan, puro masakit. Ayan. Regalado Cuevas. Ayan, shout out Chloe Dagle from Tatay Sorrento. Ayan. Hello po. Ayan. Josephine Bauyon Medina is watching. Thank you so much po. Ayan, bago tayo broken guys. Ayan. Linda Magudayaw is watching, ha? From Caloocan. Hello po. Thank you so much. Ayan, bago tayo mag-broken heart mga guys, mag-start mula tayo, ha? Pamela Leofando is watching. Thank you so much. Ayan. Itong dalawang to ko, ano naman ginagawa. Mamaya, meron ako sa inyong, yes, ibibigay na song. Sa dalawang angel ko po na lagi pong broken. Ayan. So guys, let's start! Tawa pa more. Ayan. So guys, let's start! Let's go! Baby, do you miss me now that I'm gone? I remember the love we had, I could not forget. I remember the tears I cried over one regret. Now we're alone, so alone, I can't help thinking about you. All alone in a world, and I'm lonely without you. The radio plays our favorite song, and each one keeps me holding on. Baby, do you miss me now that I'm gone? Get the DJ to play our favorite song, 'cause it's what keeps me holding on. Baby, do you miss me now that I'm gone? Do you miss me? Do you miss me? The love we had, not a day goes by. Heaven knows where you are right now, but my heart won't lie. We were in love, so in love, been thinking about you. All the love in the world, and I'm lonely without you. Radio plays our favorite song, and each one keeps me holding on. Baby, do you miss me now that I'm gone? Get the DJ to play our favorite song, 'cause it's what keeps me holding on. Baby, do you miss me now that I'm gone? Do you miss me? Do you miss me? Do you miss me? Lina Baelo is watching. Thank you, Lina. Radio plays our favorite song, and it's what keeps me holding on. Baby, do you miss me now that I'm gone? Get the DJ to play our favorite song, 'cause it's what keeps me holding on. Baby, do you miss me now that I'm gone? Thank you so much, guys! Ayan. Sandali lang, guys, ha, kasi meron na tayong nalalampasan, mga guys. Ayan. Anna Marina na Marfil is watching. Ayan, from Tayuman. Adi Trevino is watching. Hi, Ate Adi. Thank you so much. Alam ko malungkot ka ngayon. Ayan. And advance happy birthday sa'yo, ate ko. Ate Adi Trevino, I love you. Pagaling ka, ate. Ayan, alam ko malungkot ka, pero kaya mo yan. Ayan, kailangan mo magpagaling. Ayan. Ngayon naman, guys, gusto ko lang pong batiin yung nakaraan kong live. Ayan, na mga hindi po na shoutout kag agad, kaya pagpasensyahan nyo na, guys. Ayan, Julie Per Dominguez, Josenia Sevilla, Ariel de los Santos, Meladon Delfino, Will M. Gia, Nida Morelos, and Mr. Ronnie Morella. Ano yan, senior? Ayan, senior. Ayan. And tinatanong niya po kung ilang taon na po ako. Secret. Walang clue. Kayo na bahala kung ilang taon na ako. Ayan. So guys, kaya pasensya na kayo guys ha kung minsan hindi po nasa shoutout agad. Kasi po, pag nag-i-start na po kasi ako minsan talagang mabilis na siyang umaakyat, pag sunod-sunod na po. Ayan, minsan alam nyo naman, hindi rin po mahabol ng mga angels ko kasi ang angels ko is senior. Ayan, so guys, mag-start po tayo. Ayan, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, mag-start po tayo ng February ng broken naman. About broken. Ayan. Mga broken. Ayan, may binigay silang parang quote sa akin dito. Ayan. Ang pinakamasakit na goodbye yung hindi pa naririnig ng tenga mo, pero nararamdaman na ng puso mo. Siguro naman guys, alam niyo yon, yung mga, ay, ano yon? Siguro may ganun kayong mga nararamdaman. Ayan. So guys, ang aking pong next song ay para po sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Mag-start tayo sa broken guys. Sana wag po tayong magkaiyakan dito. Ayan. So guys, para po sa inyong lahat.
Dreams and just pretend that you and I are never gonna end. Too many times I've seen the rose die on the vine. Somebody's heart gets broken, usually it's mine. I don't wanna take the chance of being hurt again. You and I can say goodbye. So if you wake and find me gone, oh baby, carry on. You see, I need my fantasy. I still believe it's best to live while I'm in love. Too many times I've seen the rose die on the vine. Somebody's heart gets broken, usually it's mine.
nababasa ng mga broken. Ayan, sana guys nagustuhan mo. Hello din anak. Ayan, kamusta na ang puso? Ayan, Romano Alvarado is watching. Ayan. Narciso Capulong Jr. is watching. Thank you so much po. Ayan. Ngayon naman guys, ang aking next song. Ayan, wait lang. Ako po ay magbubura lang sandali. Ayan, kasi baka mamaya magkamali na naman tayo guys. Ayan. Narciso Capulong Jr. Request daw, torn between. Torn between two lovers. Yun ba yan? Sige, hanapin na lang natin muna yan. Wait lang po hahanapin ko lang po siya. Talagang torn. Tinik. Ayan. Diba? Broken heart nga eh. Kaya may tinik.
Hindi akin yun.
Ayan. Diba? Tingnan nyo guys, kasi simula ko pa lang. Zenny Del Mundo is watching. Hello po, thank you so much. Ayan. Itatype ko na lang po siya guys. Ayan. Kanino nyo po gustong i-dedicate ko ito, Mr. Narciso? Parang may pinagdaanan din si Sir. Ayan. Sa inyong dalawa na lang. Sige. So, para po sa inyo, Mr. Narciso. Ayan, Narciso Capulong Jr. Ayan. So, guys, ang sakit isipin na yung taong lagi mong kasama ay hindi ka na pala kailangan. Ayan, aray. Diba? Walang iiyak ka. Angel, baka mamaya may nakikita ko, umiiyak ka. Ayan. May bubulong doon sa dulo, oh. Hindi ko madinig.
There are times when a woman has to say what's on her mind, even though she knows how much it's gonna hurt. Before I say another word, let me tell you I love you. Let me hold you close and say this word as gently as I can. There's been another man that I've needed and I've loved, but that doesn't mean I love you less. And he knows he can't possess me, and he knows he never will. There's just this empty place inside that only he can feel. Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Loving both of you is breaking all the rules. Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Loving you both is breaking all the rules. You must think you found me just because there's someone else. You were the first real love I ever had, and all the things I ever said, I swear they still are true. No one else can have the part of me I gave to you. Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Loving both of you is breaking all the rules. Torn between two lovers, walk away. With everything I feel inside, I'm asking you to stay. Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Loving both of you is breaking all the rules. Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Loving you both is breaking all the rules. Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Loving both of you is breaking all the rules. Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Loving you both is breaking all the rules. Thank you so much! Ayan po, sana nagustuhan niyo po yan. Ayan. Ayan, bago po ako magtuloy-tuloy guys, ayan, Julie Per Dominguez is watching. Hello po. Ayan. Sa mga taga-Ubando, Bulacan, kina Kapitan Ruben Serrano ng Katanghalan, Ubando, Bulacan, ay lalong-lalo na po kay Kapitan Randy Miranda ng Barangay Pag-asa, Ubando, Bulacan. At sa mga taga-Pitong Gatang at sa lahat po ng mga taga-Ubando, Bulacan. Ayan, good evening po sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Wait lang po guys ha. Ayan. Ano yan? Ayan. Shout out again guys. Salamat din po kay Mr. Rudy Juliente Lopez Jr. Ayan, nakita ko po sa comment nyo ang aming tape na Tarzan at Baby Jane. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Ayan, at ako po ay natutuwa at hindi nyo pa rin po kami nakakalimutan ng Daddy Tarzan ko. Maraming salamat po. Ayan. So guys, again, ito na naman po ang isang madamdaming kanta para po sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Inunahan pa ako. Here I am, alone and I don't understand exactly how it all began. The dream just walked away. I'm holding on when all about the passion's gone. And from the start, maybe I was trying too hard. It's crazy 'cause it's breaking my heart. Things can fall apart, but I know that I don't want you to go. When they ignore the cause inside, but they learn from what's left behind and fight for something else. And so it goes that we have both learned how to grow. And from the start, It's crazy 'cause it's breaking my heart. Things can fall apart, but I know that I don't want you to go. Or it's just too much, taking on the whole world all by myself. But it's not enough unless I stop trusting somebody else in love again. And from the start, maybe we were trying too hard. It's crazy 'cause it's breaking my heart. Things can fall apart, but I know that I don't want you to go. Maybe we were trying too hard. It's crazy 'cause it's breaking my heart. Things can fall apart, but I know that I don't want you to go. Oh no, don't want you. Say that you won't come.
Thank you! Ayan, Luz Francisco is watching. Hello po, good evening, Nanay Luz. Ayan. Ayan, sana po nagugustuhan niyo yung mga song ngayong gabi. Ayan, wait lang guys ha, kasi baka meron tayong nalalampasan. Pasensya na kayo guys ha kung hindi po kaagad masya-shoutout ha, kasi po minsan habang kumakanta ko talagang mabilis po talaga ang akyat ng mga name. Ayan. Shout out to Mr. Rodrigo Villanueva for your undying support and always play my song Kuripot ang Ninong Ko. Thank you, sir. Ayan. And shout out Reggie and Nelia Lontok. Ayan, hello po and thank you so much. Ayan. Ngayon naman guys, ang aking next song ay talaga naman pong masasabi niyong broken. Ayan, alam ko po na alam niyo din po ang kantang ito. Alam ko maraming nagkakagusto nito eh. Ayan. So guys, again, para po sa inyong lahat. Ayan. So guys, hindi lahat ng sumusuko ay mahina at talunan. May mga bagay at tao lang talaga na dapat sukuan para di ka na masaktan. Ayan.
Touch my life with the softness in the night. My wish was your command until you run out of love. I tell myself I'm free. just for me. No need to hurry home now that you're gone. Night cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Night cuts like a knife. You cut away my heart of my life. When I pretend, wear a smile to fool my dearest friends. I wonder if they know it's just a show. I'm on a stage, day and night I go through my charades, but how can I disguise what's in my eyes? Night cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Night cuts like a knife. You cut away the heart of my life, and blocking out the pain I feel inside, the pain of wanting you, wanting you. Night cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Night cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Night, you cut away the heart of my life.
Thank you, guys! Ayan, sana nagustuhan niyo yung song na yan. Ayan. So guys, bago po ang lahat, magba-birthday greetings muna ang lola nyo, ha? Ayan, belated happy birthday po kay Pete Dison, Rowena Gadia, Edmundo Santos, Tagasa Nelia, Darwin Malyari. Ayan, belated happy birthday po sa inyo. And sa today naman po na may birthday, isa po sa aming friend. Ayan. Happy birthday to Jean Mendoza. Ayan, happy birthday, Boogie. And happy birthday, Yvonne Andaya. Happy birthday din po kay Armina Bedad. Ayan, happy birthday, guys. And advance happy birthday po sa aking Napaka-sweet na ate. Ayan, Ate Adi Trebino. Ayan, happy birthday ate in advance. And ang aking Kuya Carmelino Kiliain Jr. Ayan, happy birthday! Ayan, Lovey May is watching from Japan. Hi, Lovey May! Konbanwa! Mata ayatane. Ayan. So guys, ayan, magbubura lang po ako guys ha. Ayan, another na makabagbag damdamin pong song para po sa inyong lahat guys. At, ayan, sabi nila bakit alak ang sagot sa mga taong nasasaktan? Simple lang, dahil sanay tayong alkohol ang gamot pag tayo ay nasusugatan. Napakaganda naman, di ba? Ayan, Jarin is watching. Hi! Ayan, thank you so much. Ang aga naman yan, anak. Nina Sapida is watching. Ayan, ang aga naman yan, nakwa. Thank you. Ayan. Wait lang guys ha. Ayan, sabi naman ni Julie Fer Dominguez, advance happy birthday Miss Chris. Ano yan, Aquino? Ayan, sabi ni Julie Fer Dominguez. Ayan. Ayan, baby, alis ka dyan, bebe. Ayan, baka bumagsak si tablet. Ayan. So guys, again, para po sa inyong lahat. Anong binubulong niya?
That's what you want me to. Never knew that it would go so far when you left me on that boulevard. Come again, you would release my pain, and we could be lovers again. Just one more chance, another dance, and let me feel it isn't real that I've been losing you. The sun will rise within your eyes. Come back to me and we will be happy together. Never
you so much, Rai TV. Ayan guys, siya po ang nag-interview sa akin. Ayan. Yan pong Rai TV Official. Guys, please support Rai TV Official ha. Huwag niyong kakalimutan yan guys. Napakaganda po ng kanyang vlog. Marami tayong matututunan. At saka yung mga hinahanap nating mga artist noon. Ayan, makikita nyo dyan guys. Kaya support nyo ang Rai TV Official. Ayan, thank you so much guys. Ayan, nagulat naman ako biglang nanood ang Rai TV. Ayan, thank you so much Rai TV. So guys, medyo... Ayan, maraming salamat po sa aking mga bagong followers at subscribers ng aking FB page at YouTube channel. Ayan, pasensya na po at sa dami po nila, hindi ko po kaagad nasasagot. Ayan, may isa-isa tapos puso po talaga ang aking pasasalamat kay Rai TV Official at sa kanyang asawa na si Jobel. Ayan, dahil sa kanila, nakita ko ang aming mga taga-subaybay ng Tarzan and Baby Jane. Kaya I'm so blessed po na nakilala ko si Rai TV. Ayan, at muli din nila akong nakita sa aking pagbabalik muli sa pagkanta. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Ayan. And guys, pasensya na po kayo sa mga hindi ko pa po na shoutout sa aking page. Ayan. Baka po sa susunod, ayan, basta po mababanggit ko yan kasi baka pag binanggit ko kayong lahat, ayan na, matatapos na oras natin. Kaya hahati-hatiin ko na lang po. Ayan. Lin Chang is watching. Ayan, thank you so much. Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong support. At higit din po sa aking pasasalamat ay Rai TV Official dahil sa interview niya po sa akin muli. Ayan. At sa pag-interview niya sa akin, marami po akong mga nakilala again. Marami din po akong talaga namang nabasa na talaga namang po nakakataba ng puso. Dahil po talagang hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin nila kami nakakalimutan ng daddy. And napakagaganda po ng mga comment nila. Ayan, kaya thank you so much guys. Ayan, Teodora Alcantara is watching. Ayan. Ayan. Sandali lang guys ha. Wait lang po guys. Ayan. Ano ito? Ha? Ayan. Pasensya na po kayo ano to? Regalado Cuevas. Ayan. Kasi po, ang ating team ngayon is broken. Kaya sa susunod po na live ko, pwede ko po siyang makanta. Ayan. Kailangan po kasi ang song natin ngayon ay Broken. Ayan. Huwag po kayong mag-alala. Ayan. Makakanta ko po yan. Ayan. Wait lang po So guys, masyado tayong malungkot. Haluan natin ng medyo mabilis. Ayan. Time out muna tayo sa mga broken. Ayan. Pass muna tayo. Mag-ano muna tayo, guys. Ayan. Para naman hindi masyadong broken. Ayan. Para po sa inyo lahat. Woo! Holiday.
If we took a holiday, took some time to celebrate, just one day out of life, it would be so nice. Everybody spread the word. We're gonna have a celebration all across the world, in every nation. It's time for the good times. Forget about the bad times. Oh yeah, one day to come together to release the pressure. We need a holiday. It's just a holiday. Have some time to celebrate.
Come on, let's celebrate.
Just one day out of life.
Holiday.
It would be so nice. You can turn this world around and bring back all of those happy days. Put your trouble down. It's time to celebrate. Let love shine, and we will find a way to come together to make things better. We need a holiday. With just a holiday,
Holiday.
take some time to celebrate.
Celebrate.
Just one day out of life.
Just one day.
It would be so nice. Holiday, celebrate. Holiday, celebrate. If we took a holiday,
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
take some time to celebrate.
Come on, let's celebrate.
Just one day out of life.
Holiday.
It would be so nice. Holiday,
Celebrate.
holiday, thank you so much. Ayan, Lani Tantenko is watching. Jing Francisco is watching. Thank you so much, guys. Ayan. Ngayon, guys, ituloy-tuloy na natin ang mga broken. Ayan. Mainit, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Broken. Ayan. Kapag hindi na tayo mahal ng taong mahal natin, hindi na rin natin siya dapat piliting mahalin tayo. Ayan. Ang sasakit, diba? Ayan. Ayan. Ano na ba? Naano ko... Ayan. Sabi ni Jing Francisco, TK, one of the broken. We, ikaw pa ba? Ikaw pa ba? Ayan. Baka maulit ko tong mga ano, ha? Ayan. Para po sa inyo lahat. Ayan. And para po sa aking dalawang angel. Ayan.
Pag broken, ang daming lumilitaw eh. Nakahilera lahat.
Kahirapan lang umibig sa di tamang panahon. Kung bakit ngayon ko lang natagpuan isang katulad mo. Sana noon pa kita nakilala, sana noon pa lang na ang puso ay malaya pa magmahal. Bukas na lang kita mamahalin, sabay sa paglaya ng ating mga puso. Bukas na lang kita kahirapan lang umibig sa di tamang panahon. Kung bakit ngayon ko lang natagpuan isang katulad mo. Sana noon pa kita nakilala, sana noon pa lang na ang puso ay malaya pa magmahal. Bukas na lang kita mamahalin, sabay sa paglaya ng ating mga puso. Bukas na lang kita, bukas na lang, bukas na lang kita
Thank you so much! Ayan, sabi ni Jing, sana all mahal. May hugot ka, Jing. Ayan. Ayan, sana guys nagustuhan nyo yan. Ayan. Bukas na lang kayo magmahal sa mga broken. Ayan guys, sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe, follow at like ng aking YouTube channel, Baby Jenny Tarzan. Ayan, ang FB page, Reels at TikTok. Paki-follow, like, subscribe, and share po. Ayan, meron din po kaming isa pang channel, ang BJ Andy TV at BJ Entong. Ayan. At ang akin pong official account ay ito pong Raquel Hosaka na ginagamit ko, guys. And meron din po akong isa pa, yung Baby Jenny Tarzan. At ang ginagamit ko naman po sa YouTube. Ayan. Kahit po alin dyan, pwede nyo po akong i-add dyan, guys. At meron din po akong playlist, guys, sa aking YouTube. Kung gusto nyo pong makinig at mag-relax. Ayan. Makikita nyo po yan sa YouTube, guys. At support nyo rin po ang B&J Music Team. Ayan. Kasama ko po dyan ang aking pong BFF na si JD Ariscayo. Ayan, support niyo yan, guys, ha. And wag niyo kakalimutan ng Rai TV official, guys. Ayan. Wait lang, guys, ha. Naano ko na ba to? Hindi pa, di ba? Okay. Ayan. Ngayon, guys, tuloy-tuloy na natin ang broken. Ayan. And guys, para po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, mahirap kasi ang broken eh. Ayan, wait lang guys ha. Kanta po ito ni Anne Murray.
Every now and then I cry. Every night you keep staying on my mind. All my friends say I'll survive. It just takes time, but I don't think time is gonna heal this broken heart. No, I don't see how it can if it's broken all apart. A million miracles could never stop the pain or put all the pieces together again. No, I don't think time is gonna heal this broken heart. No, I don't see how it can while we are still apart. And when you hear the song, I hope that you will see time won't heal a broken-hearted me. It's just the same, playing games, different lovers, different names. They keep saying I survive, it just takes time. But I don't think time is gonna heal this broken heart. No, I don't see how it can if it's broken all apart. A million miracles could never stop the pain or put all the pieces together again. No, I don't think time is gonna heal this broken heart. No, I don't think time is while we are still apart. And when you hear the song, I hope that you will see the time won't heal a broken-hearted. Time won't heal a broken-hearted me.
Thank you, guys! Ayan. Thank you so much, Jobel! sa support. Ayan, thank you so much. Ayan, wait lang ha. Ayan. Ang aking next song po ay kung pwede lang maging excuse ang pagiging broken-hearted. Malamang marami na ang absent sa high school at college. Ayan. 'Di ba? Ayan. Good luck to you, Doc Dexter M. Ariscayo. I'm still watching, sabi niya, while doing ayang work from home. Ayan. Oo nga eh. Marami na kasi di ba? Kaya, good luck. Ayan. Sa iyong mga work. Ayan. Kasi ano na lang 3 buwan na lang, di ba, ang school. Ayan. So, wait lang guys, ha. Ayan. Again, guys, para po sa inyong lahat. Dave Castro Rendon is watching. Thank you so much.
Together we've been happy. I have very few regrets. Their ordinary problems have not been hard to face, but lately little changes have been slowly taking place. You're always finding something is wrong in what I do, but you can rearrange my life because it pleases you. You've got to love me for what I am, for simply being me. Don't love me for what you intend or hope that I will be. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love. So let me go, I must be free. If what you want isn't natural for me, I won't pretend to give you what I have to be. The picture of perfection is only in your mind. For all your expectations, love can never be the sign. We either take each other for everything we are, or leave the life we made behind and make another start. You've got to love me for what I am, for simply being me. Oh, that I will be. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love. So let me go, I must be free.
Ayan guys, marami talaga nagre-react pag broken eh.
And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love. So let me go, I must be free. You're really not in love, so let me go, I must be free.
Talagang guys, pag nag-start tayo ng broken talaga. Ayan. Hindi ko po malaman kung matutuwa ba ako sa mga comment o mga ano. Ayan. Ayan guys. Wait lang ha. Ayan, magbubura lang ako guys. Ayan, kasi baka mamaya maulit natin yan guys. Ayan. Ayan, wait lang. Wala na tayong may birthday or Sa mga nagtatanong po kung pwede daw po ako maimbitahan sa mga okasyon at paano po ako makakontak, ayan. Pwede nyo po akong maimbitahan guys. Kasi talagang nagbabalik na po talaga ako sa aking singing career again dahil yan po ang talagang request po ng daddy ko. Ayan. Nasabi niya, wag daw akong titigil kumanta. Ayan. Ayan. Nasa FB page ko po ang contact number po. Ayan. Diyan nyo po yan makikita guys kung gusto nyo akong invite or mag-fiesta sa inyo. Ayan. Babalik na naman po ako sa dati. Ayan. Yung pong laging ginagawa namin ng daddy. Ayan. Ang pagkakaiba na lang is wala na po ang daddy. Ayan. At abangan nyo din guys, nga pala, tinatry po naming makuha lahat ng song namin ng daddy. Ayan. Ngayon, inaayos po namin siya para lahat po. Kasi po, halos po nang nagko-comment, ayan, ay gusto po nilang madinig uli yung song namin ng daddy ko. Kaya ginagawan po namin ng paraan para po makuha namin lahat ng mga song namin ng daddy ko at makanta po para sa inyong lahat. Ayan, abangan nyo yan guys. Ayan. Pasensya na kayo guys ha. Ayan, nasamid na ako ng nasamid. Ayan. Kasi nakakatuwa yung mga comment kasi pagdating talaga sa broken. Ayan. So guys, again, para po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, may dumaan pong tricycle. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. Alam niyo naman guys, sa bahay lang ako nagla-live. Ayan.
When I wake up each morning trying to find myself, and if I ever listen short, I always remind myself, though you're someone in this world that I always choose to love. From now on, you're only someone that I used to love. As for me, it's getting down to the last unspoken part, when you must begin to ease the pain of a broken heart. Tell me, why should I even care if I had to lose your love? From now on, you're only someone that I used to love. Crossed again, well, you won't find me being the one to get lost again. Once I had so much to give, but you just refused my love. From now on, you're only someone try, I really try. When I wake up each morning, trying to find myself, and if I'm ever the distance short, I always remind myself, though you're someone in this world that I always choose to love. From now on, you're only someone that I used to love. You're only someone that I used to love.
Isabel Atlantico is watching.
Though you're someone in this world that I always choose to love, from now on, you're only someone that I used to love. You're only someone that I used to love.
Ayan na guys. Ayan. Na-late si Isabel Atlantico, Sisi. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng aking subscribers. Ayan, followers, likers, at sharers. Ayan, lalong-lalo na po sa palagi pong nanonood ng aking FB Live. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng aking FB friends. Ayan, na lagi pong sumusuporta. Ayan, nanonood ng aking FB Live tuwing Sabado, 9:30. Ayan, salamat po higit sa mga sumusuporta po. And sa mga, ano ba tawag doon? Yung mga ayaw magpabanggit. Yung mga anonymous, ayan, na nagbibigay po ng gift sa akin. Ayan, nagbibigay po ng GCash. So, thank you so much po sa inyong support. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Ayan. Sandali lang guys, ha? Umulit na naman siya. Ayan. Pasensya na kayo guys, ha? Ano yan? Ayan. Ayan. So guys, magkita-kita tayo sa February 10. Ayan. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutan yan guys, February 10. Pagdating po ng February 10, meron na naman tayong team. Kasi ngayon ang team natin is broken. Ayan. So guys, see you on February 10. And guys, inuulit ko po, maraming salamat po sa suporta ninyo sa akin. Na hanggang ngayon po, kahit po wala na po ang daddy, sumusuport pa rin po kayo sa akin. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ang aking mga followers, subscribers, likers, ang aking FB friends, ang aking mga friend, ayan, family, and also thank you so much sa aking angels, ang BJ and the Angels. Maraming salamat po, and of course, Rai TV, thank you so much. Ayan. And of course, my partner, ayan, Andy Andes. Thank you so much sa support. Sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat po. And of course, thank you po kay Lord. Hindi niya po kami pinababayaan. Maraming salamat, Lord. And guys, see you on February 10. Ayan, magkita-kita po tayo ulit guys. Ayan. So guys, see you on February 10. Sana po, suportahan niyo po ako ulit. Ayan. Alam niyo naman guys, araw ng puso. Kaya, good night po, Narciso Capulong Jr. Good night. Thank you so much, guys. Love you, may see you.
It's not unusual to be loved by anyone. It's not unusual to have fun with anyone. When I see you hanging about with anyone. It's not unusual to see me cry. I wanna die. It's not unusual to go out anytime. When I see you out and about, there's such a crime. If you should ever wanna be loved by anyone, it's not unusual, it happens every day. No matter what you say, you'll find it happens all the time. Love will never do what